Hey YouTube, Sam here. And why are we looking at a jack? Because the last time I used this, it seems like cars are making it so you have to almost go further and further underneath their big bumpers to be able to
And
get
the handle
to them, and winds up out like that. And then I come along around the car and I'm not paying attention and bump it or get my gut into it, or the last time I got myself in the ribs and it really hurt. That's what made me make this video. So anyhow, I'm going to fix the end of this, and you might say, well, there's already a pad on here, but I like that there because when I go to put it up, it hits the side of the car or the bumper, it buffers that. But I am going to take that cue and go up here and do basically the same thing. I just bought a chunk of this. I had to buy a whole entire like 8-foot chunk of it, and I measured the size of the tubing and couldn't find anything exactly the same, and so this is a little bit smaller, but this stuff comes with a built-in sticky on both sides here, and I'm going to peel off and try and bring it up a little bit here, and I just cut a piece out like I said, and then pull these together, and I'm hoping that that will kind of keep itself on there without getting me all sticky. I'm sure the stickiness of it will go away pretty soon, and that'll kind of give me something to kind of bump up against here. That's fairly tight on there, so I'm pretty good. I can still use that. Can I turn that? That's the thing. Yep, can still turn that. If I have to, I still can come down here and grab it. I'm hoping that'll do. I'm going to cut it a little better. I didn't have very good scissors to cut that with, and I didn't do a great job making it even down here, but now you get an idea. I thought about maybe even taking and wrapping some electrical tape around this, but quite honestly, I think I'm going to try it like this. Then I can pull it off and on when I want to, and I think it'll actually do pretty good bumping against it. Mainly it's when I bump against a corner, and sometimes I hit against it, and I may need to put something else up there, but I think if I lift that up a little bit, we'll be good. Anyhow, a little idea there. You can do with it what you want. This is Sam, Jack of all, master of none. You all have a good one.